From here I still have 247 kilometers to Italia, to this company. Yes, and like we are still waiting for the sunrise. There is no sun, not yet. But we have roadworks. Just a bit. As you can see, sun is rising and Slovenia looks like from a movie with Vikings. Yes, it's cloudy, we have some fog and everything is wet. So as you can see, the weather in Slovenia is like that. 7 a.m. Okay. I still cannot believe that we are going to Spain. Yeah, that we are going to Spain. Tomorrow, we are going to Spain. I mean, I will start driving, yeah, to Spain. Holy shit, like... Maybe Spain will be the new Turkey. Maybe I will love it. Yeah, España. Habla español. Sí. Señorita, señora, bicicleta. Por favor. I know some Spanish, yeah. At some point in my life I was learning Spanish language by myself, but I failed to continue. But it would be nice to learn Spanish, you know, for Latinas. So I can find a Latina girl with anger issues and she will set me straight in life. Yeah, that's the plan. Oh my god, look at those clouds covering this hill. Nice. And it's raining. Yeah, it is just raining. There is no winter, it's just rain. As you can see, I will stop for a break. Yes, because we have some traffic jam just before Ljubljana city. So I will stop for a break here and hopefully this traffic jam will go away. Hopefully. Or at least, yeah, I don't know, it will be smaller 45 minutes later. Yeah, I will park like that here. Oh yeah, it's okay. We are driving again and the weather is not welcoming. Yes, it's very foggy, very wet. Sometimes it's raining a lot and sometimes it's like right now raining just a bit, but still it's very, very slippery. I'm driving just 85 on cruise control. Maximum 85, yeah, because it's slippery. We still have this traffic jam in Ljubljana and we have plenty of time, so I don't need to drive faster. Oh my god, Slovenia! Beautiful, beautiful Slovenia. Yes, we have plenty of warnings that are telling us to basically slow down because it's slippery. And those warnings are in Slovenian language and English language. Small things, you know, small things that you can appreciate. Okay, as you can see, my plan is working, because previously we had traffic jam here and right now it is gone. We are just driving, but I still have 9 kilometers to the main crossing section in Ljubljana and then we will drive around the city. We have this traffic jam because of road works, but right now it is much smaller than previously. So it's good. That's good. I will save some driving time, which is kinda important. As you can see, we are going around the city of Ljubljana and there is no traffic. We are just going. That's it. And to be honest, when you are using this road, there are not so many things to see. It's just express road. And soon we are going to enter highway. That's it. Oh my god, Slovenia! What is happening? Slovenia. It's crazy. It is just crazy. Look at those idiots from Serbia. They are overtaking each other even though both of them, they don't have enough power. Look at this, another one. He can barely overtake me, but he's going to. He's going to, you know, he's going for it. Oh my god. As you can see, I have just 60 kilometers. Yes, 60 kilometers to Italy, to this company. Ah, finally. Yeah, finally. We have some kind of roadworks a few kilometers ahead, but people are slowing down already. I don't know why. Anyway, there is a big mountain behind those clouds. Unfortunately, we are not able to see. And it's still raining. And I have just 50 kilometers. Ah, Italia, Italia. Oh my god, we are climbing. Yes, trucks are overtaking. It's foggy and windy. It's not going to be easy. Oh my god, look at those conditions. Oh my god. It's crazy. What happened with weather? Like, what happened? Okay, so I have just 1 kilometer to the border and we have to actually take some different road. Okay. Okay. I have just 20 kilometers to this company, which is good, yeah, it's finally. Okay, we are slowing down. Yeah, that's the border. I mean, I was showing you the border, this exact border, before, when I was taking the load from Slovenia to Sweden. It was exactly the same border. Look at this, that's a boat. Nice, nice. Italia. Italia, welcome to Italy. Welcome. I think that was different border previously. I think it was different border, but okay. Anyway, there are two guys in this checkpoint, but they are not even looking at me. And right now we are driving like that. Yeah, that's completely different border because the previous one was just highway right away. Okay, anyway, my bad, yeah. So many borders, you can make a mistake. That's basically the road to join the highway. Yes, we have to use this road. There is no other road to get there. Okay. Yes, I have 1.5 kilometers to the highway. I have to slow down again. What do we have here? Not much, not much. Okay. Can we change the lane? I guess we can. Yes, okay. Nice, nice. Yes, we are going to Trieste. To Trieste. Trieste? I don't know. Anyway. Oh my god, look at this view. That is great view. Great view. Yes, we are going down. We have to get to the sea level. Okay, so as... Oh my god, Italy! As you can see, I left the highway. Yes, finally. And we are making our way through the city to this company. 2.5 kilometers. And I will drive slowly because the road is just unpredictable. Sometimes it's good and sometimes we have Bulgarian experience. Holy shit. Look at those cars parked in the middle. Like what? Like what? What? Welcome to Italy. Welcome to Italy. Exactly. What? Ah. Italy. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. You need to be confident on Italian road. You need to be just confident. Yes, just like that. And it's very good that it's almost not raining. Almost. I like it. Okay, I have just 1 kilometer to this company. I have no idea how to enter. Yeah, like I have just address and that's it. Okay, you're on the boat. It was totally safe maneuver because the roundabout was big enough. Okay, like 800 meters. Okay, it's going to be somewhere here on the right side. Okay, okay. That's here. That's exactly here. Okay. Holy shit. Last moment. That was the last moment. Okay, so finally I got information that the company is right, but I have to go like to a different part of this company because it's big. Because here where I was right now, it is just a workshop. Yeah, they are just fixing trucks, and I have to go somewhere here. So we are going here, yeah, obviously. Okay, so those guys here, they actually told me that I have to go to a different place again. So we are going. Yeah, welcome to Italy. But you know, everyone are nice, they speak English. It's just, you know, hard to find the exact place. I mean, the location is like, you know, it's not the best, right? It is not the best. I would say it is crazy. I don't know, they told me to go like all the way here. Like, that's already water. It's like sea. What? Okay, I will park here. Okay, so I'm empty. It is just after 1 p.m. and I'm just maneuvering myself to get out from this place. That's the only way out. Okay, so as you can see, we are out from here. I have 97 kilometers to the next company for loading, to take this load to Spain. Yes, we are going to España. Oh my god. But loading will be tomorrow, so yeah, we are going to park somewhere. Yeah, we have some parking places, a lot of parking places on the road to this company. Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck? I don't want to destroy my tire. Oh, like, no, we are going like that. The Navi was telling, like, let's see what Navi is saying. Oh, we have to turn around. Okay, actually we have to turn around. Okay, so I'm just using one of many companies here to actually turn around, because why the hell not? Yeah, let's go. Look at this machine for containers. Oh my god, nice. I would drive it, no problems, no questions asked. Okay, and right now we are going to take the right road, because there is basically dead end. I mean, I could try to join the road using, you know, this exit, but we are not in a rush, okay? So we are not improvising. Simple as that. I supposed to go. Okay, so I came from here and we need to go there. Whoa, like the road is just savage, you know. This tarmac is savage. Quality is not here. Quality left the chat, you know, that's it. Nice ship, whoa. I would buy a ship, you know, a boat. I would buy a boat, yeah. I would be a pirate. Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, here we have better road. Like finally. Oh. What to do now? Apparently something like that. We cannot go there. Ah yeah, because we have to go like that. Okay. I'm just idiot, you know. I was looking at the map in a wrong way. I was looking at this map like total idiot, you know, like a beginner. Come on. I can do better than that. Oh my god, this road is beautiful. It's just beautiful. Because here is just a parking place. Yeah, oh look, we have trailers from Turkey. Yeah, a lot of trailers from Turkey. Interesting. Yeah, the sound, I have to put seatbelts, you know, because I know it's annoying. Okay, I will just, you know, I have to use the same road. Okay, so I will just take the same road out of the city, and I will enter the highway. Yeah, okay. I already know the road outside of the city and the highway that will take me to Udine, very close to Udine. Yeah, Venezia, Udine. Venezia, Udine. We are going to Udine. Drive. Oh yeah, we have to use this one. Very complex section we are going. Can I fit? That's the question. Yes, I can. Okay. And we are climbing. Whoa, wheels are spinning. Wow, Scania. Too much power. Oh my god, look at this view. Very nice, I like it. Wow. And we are going to climb. Yes. With the same road I was going down, and now we are climbing. And right now, yeah, the quality of this road is debatable sometimes. And right now I have to be careful because we have 0 kilograms pressing this main axle to the ground, which means that it can easily spin and slide even on wet tarmac. Especially on wet tarmac, yeah, especially. Because I do not expect snowy tarmac. I do not expect. Yeah, that's the city. I mean the part of the city. As you can see, I have just 20 kilometers to some kind of parking place, because we have to park. Yes. today I basically finished my work. And I will have something like 20 kilometers to drive to this company from this parking place. So starting at 7:40 a.m. It's okay. It's okay. And we are taking load to Spain. Yes, España. Oh my god. It is going to be something like 2000 kilometers of driving. Almost up to border with Portugal. Yes, far, far away. We are going to see some Spain. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's the place. That's the place. I hope that I can find a parking place here. Yeah, to park. Come on. I think that we can find something. I think so. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. That's very good. Maybe next one? Like that here.